Well, the Ohio River Bridges Project says no emergency action is needed on dozens of columns with exposed rebar at Spaghetti Junction. The review was ordered by the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet after the ramp from I-65 north to I-64 west had to be shut down in December because of deteriorating conditions on a support column. Additional repairs to that column were supposed to start this coming Saturday, but those have now been delayed because of cold weather. No new date for the work has been set, but the ramp will be closed when that happens.